Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the key components of data science. As we already have discussed about data science, it is an interdisciplinary field that involves the use of various techniques, algorithms, processes, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Basically, it combines expertise from multiple domains such as statistics, computer science, domain specific knowledge, and data engineering to analyze and interpret complex data sets. And the primary goal of data science is to turn raw data into actionable insights, predictions, and recommendations that can be used to solve real world problems and make informed decisions. So it becomes very important to learn about the components of data science, which includes number one, data collection. Data collection basically is the gathering or collection of data from various resources, which can include databases, sensors which are ground level workers, in other words, which can collect data from multiple places wherein we implant sensors, web scraping, then social media. These are basically resources from where we are collecting data and many more things. The understanding of data collection is very simple. It is basically collection of data from multiple resources, and this is one of the key component in data science to collect the data. Then the second component in data science is data cleaning. After completing the collection, we have to clean data and pre-process the data. Cleaning and pre-processing goes hand by hand, preparing basically and cleaning the data to remove noise, inconsistencies, and missing values, making it suitable for analysis, which we already have discussed in data science. Analysis is the one of the fundamental goal of data science, and to achieve the efficient analysis, we must prepare the data, we must clean the data, we must remove the noise here in data means the data which is not required. We must remove that from the data set we have collected. And then inconsistencies, if there are missing values in the data set, we have to make sure that missing values have been again added to the data set we have already collected, then making it very much suitable for data analysis. Post that, we have the another important key component of data science, which is exploratory data analysis, EDA. Exploratory data analysis. This is again the component of the data science which helps us in investigating data through visualization and statistical summaries to understand its underlying patterns, trends, and relationships. Basically, to understand these components, we use exploratory data analysis technique, which is known as EDA in short form. EDA helps us in investigating through visualization and statistical summaries to understand the patterns in the data, to understand the trends in the data, to understand the relationships in the data, basically. In the data. Post to EDA, we have feature engineering, which is known as FE in short form, feature engineering. Feature engineering is basically an algorithm which helps us in selecting or creating relevant features, variables basically in a database, or from the database to improve model performances, and basically used to make the data as accurate as possible. It helps in enhancing the accuracy in data sets by selecting or creating relevant features between the databases. Relevant features. When we find the relevant features between different databases, that helps us in making a better analysis. Then comes to the another important component of data science, which is statistical analysis. Fifth, which is statistical analysis. Statistical analysis is applying statistical methods to quantify relationships and make inferences from the data. It helps basically in the implementation of statistical formulas or the relationships among the different data sets, and by the help of which we can achieve a better statistical analysis from the database. Then the another important component is machine learning. Sixth, machine learning. Machine learning basically develops or trains a machine or training machine learning models to predict outcomes and to classify data or to uncover patterns within the data. It is basically a model which helps a machine to work or to predict the outcomes for us. This technique, machine learning technique, helps us in analysis in total, and it helps us in predicting the outcomes from the database we have collected. So, predict outcomes. These are the components of data science. Then another important component of data science is data visualization. Data visualization. Data visualization helps us in creating visual representation of data instead of text form. Visual representation of data. For example, charts, graphs, dashboards. When we counter this kind of database, that means this is data visualization component of data science to communicate insights and findings effectively. To communicate insights and findings effectively. Then comes to the another important component of data science, which is big data technologies. Eighth, big data technologies. It is basically utilizing technologies such as Hadoop. Hadoop is the big data technology, and Spark. Spark is again a technology by the help of which we are, implementing data science or big data components, and these technologies help us in handling or analyzing massive data sets efficiently. These technologies help us in handling or analyzing massive data sets efficiently. Then comes to the another important component of data science, which is data ethics and privacy. Data ethics and privacy ensures basically it ensures that data is handled ethically. We have ethical rights for the data sets or databases, which are known as IPR, intellectual proprietary rights. So data ethics and privacy ensures that data is handled ethically and privacy concerns are addressed, particularly when dealing with sensitive and personal information. It is to ensure that we are handling a particular data set, or when we are dealing with the sensitive and the personal information, we are handling that data ethically, and we are ensuring that data is saved, data is protected. And the so these are the components of the data science, which helps us in achieving our targets in data science, and which helps us in maintaining the massive data sets. And in that way, the applications of data science are widespread, and it includes areas like finance, risk analysis, algorithmic trading, healthcare, disease prediction, personalized medicine, marketing, customer segmentation, recommendation system, e-commerce, pricing optimization, fraud detection, and many more. So data scientists play a very important role in extracting actionable insights from data, deriving innovation, and helping organizations make data driven decisions to solve complex problems and gain a competitive edge. Thank you for watching this lecture. We'll see you in the another lecture. Till then, goodbye.